Assalamu alaikum. How to use the vote feature in Islami wallet. In order to be able to vote, you must lock at least 100,000 Islami tokens for a period of 1 month. Select the period, enter the amount, enter a recovery wallet, which can be in another wallet for you or for someone you trust, and tab lock tokens. Here you can see that the tokens are sent to your vault. You can also tab here to check it on Polygon Scan. You can unlock or make emergency withdrawal here. Now that you have locked your tokens, you will be able to vote and be one of the decision makers. Thank you for watching.